It seems that many users have been getting the upload to a cloud paused message on their devices, especially the iPhone 13 and iPhone 14. How to get rid of it? Way 1. Turn off low power mode. Go to Settings. Tap Battery and then turn off low power mode. Way 2. Check the iCloud storage space. Go to Settings. Tap your Apple ID name. Tap iCloud. Then you can check the iCloud space usage at the top. Way 3. Quickly fix unknown iOS system errors. Go to the iSunshare official website to download and install iOS Repair Genius on your computer. Then launch the software. Select the Standard Mode option to continue. Click the Start button. Connect the iPhone to the computer. Then put the iPhone into recovery mode. Click Next. The software will identify the device information. Check that your iPhone information is correct. And tap Download button to get the firmware package. Note: your iOS version will be updated to the latest one. Click the Repair button and the software will start repairing the iOS operating system on your iPhone. After a few minutes, your iPhone will reboot and everything will be working properly. Way 4. Sign out of your iCloud and re-sign in. Tap Settings and then tap your ID name to go ahead. Scroll down and tap Sign Out button. Enter the Apple ID password. Way 5. Update the iOS system. Go to Settings app. Go down and select General. Tap Software Update. The iPhone will start checking for updates and then display the latest iOS version. Tap Download and install to get it. Wait for the process to end. Tap Install now to continue. Way 6. Hard reset your iPhone. iPhone 6 or earlier, press and hold the power top and home buttons at the same time for about 10 seconds. Then release the buttons until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press and hold the volume down buttons and the power buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 8 or newer. Press and release the volume up button. Press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button and release when the Apple logo appears. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods.